As we journey into adulthood, we continuously face both new challenges and opportunities for growth. Only through a comprehensive understanding of our strengths may we contextualize what we each bring to the table. Clifton Strengths for Students has equipped me with the tools to do just that. Through the self-awareness provided by the Clifton Strengths assessment, we may better utilize our abilities and communicate our unique perspective for lasting success, both personally and professionally. To begin, I would like to share with you my own journey with Clifton Strengths and how I began to recognize my own strengths and interpret their meaning in my daily life. Upon completion of the assessment, I received a score report with my top 5 strengths, each with its own theme page comprising of a detailed description as it applied to my unique composition. To my surprise, I found my report not only incredibly accurate, but extremely helpful in understanding my role in relationships, academics, and leadership opportunities. For example, among my top 5 strengths were restorative, learner, deliberative, input, and analytical. From these, I was able to glean that I am 1. Adept at dealing with problems, 2. Possess a great desire for learning, 3. Take serious care in decision making, 4. Have a need for collecting information, and 5. Often search for the deeper meaning behind situations and their outcomes. Next, my report provided me with a personal roadmap of how each of my strengths may contribute to my success, or conversely, inhibit my success. Through this, it equipped me with the tools to recognize how to emphasize my strengths, recognize when they cause me to stumble, and take immediate action in practical situations. For instance, my restorative strength gives me the power to solve complex problems and know how to ask the right questions for better solutions. However, it can get in the way of my success as a student or a leader when others perceive this quality as too critical or negative, assuming that I am always treating people and situations as problems to be fixed and not real, complex entities to be understood and heard. Thus, to combat this, the report encourages me to include others in my thinking process, to avoid the pitfall of becoming too independently judgmental or critical. Maybe instead of always trying to fix things on my own, I can challenge this tendency by inviting people into the think tank and fostering positive cooperation. This became an invaluable skill for me to learn as a leader in my Army ROTC battalion here at the university. In tactical environments, my ability to solve problems on my own is limited by my lack of knowledge about every variable in the complex situation. Now, I've begun to incorporate more members of my platoon in the problem solving process. With their help, my picture is more complete and less myopic, and the solutions are undoubtedly more efficient and well rounded. This remains just one of the many wise insights that Clifton Strengths offers. It provides not only an introspective view of ourselves, but it teaches us how we fit into the larger context of others. Knowing our strengths and how to effectively communicate them to others fosters teamwork, diversity, and shared success, both personally and professionally in this way. Effective leaders assemble a team of people, each with complementary strengths and weaknesses. Where one team member may lack, another may provide, and vice versa. This applies in relationships, employee networks, professional teams, and in each new scenario life throws our way. For example, according to Clifton Strengths, each strength fits into one of 4 leadership domains: executing, influencing, relationship building, and strategic thinking. As someone with all of my top 5 strengths residing in either the executing or strategic thinking domains, it would be beneficial to work with a partner who complemented me with strengths in the 2 opposing domains of influencing and relationship building. Our differences would balance each other out and create a more dynamic partnership. Once we are each able to understand our unique piece and how we fit into the larger puzzle, Only then can we come together and create a beautiful masterpiece. Through complex understanding of our own strengths and how they motivate our actions, Clifton Strengths for Students allows us to utilize who we are to the best of our abilities and contribute to shared and lasting success for all.